Hi everyone, welcome back to Music Moments. In our previous video, we explored adjective through a mystery, and today we are starting with the remaining kinds of adjectives. We did adjective of quality and today we are starting with adjective of number. Let's begin. Adjective of number. Adjective of number tells us the exact number of nouns such as 2, 3, second. Fine. See, adjective of numbers tells us an exact number. See, how many candles I have? 2. I have 2 candles. The word 2 tells us the exact number. How many candles I have? 2 candles. So, we know that I have 2 candles. कितनी कैंडल है? 2 कैंडल है. ठीक है. And number 2 shows that it is an exact number of something. Okay. Next is adjective of quantity. It does not tell us the exact number of a noun. It is an approximate amount such as enough, much, few, any, some, half, etc. How it does not show the exact amount. Again, I have 2 candles. This shows it is numbers. The candle has some wicks inside it. Some wicks. Wicks को मैं count नहीं कर सकती. ठीक है, ये एग्जैक्ट आइडिया नहीं देगा, अप्रॉक्सीमेट आइडिया देगा चीज़ों का. क्वांटिटी हमेशा अप्रॉक्सीमेट आइडिया देता है. जैसे कि आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ विक्स इन दी कैंडल. फाइन. और आई कैन से आई हैव मच विक्स लेफ्ट इन दी कैंडल. और आई कैन से आई हैव इनफ विक्स, आई हैव लिटिल विक्स लेफ्ट. फाइन. This is how we get an approximate idea when we talk about adjective of quantity. Numbers tells us the exact number. Quantity tells us an approximate amount. Fine. So the examples are: I am thirsty, I need some water. I am thirsty, I need some water. So this is how we differentiate between number and quantity. Numbers tells us the exact number और क्वांटिटी टेल्स अस द अप्रॉक्सीमेट आइडिया. इट गिव्स अस अ रफ आइडिया. एक रफ आइडिया देती है क्वांटिटी हमें. और जैसे कि ऑयल है, हम उसे काउंट नहीं कर सकते. वी जस्ट मेजर इट. शुगर है, हम ये तो नहीं बोलेंगे 2 शुगर है, 3 शुगर है, या राइस है 2 राइस हैं या 3 राइस हैं. वी जस्ट से कि सम राइस. फाइन. एनफ राइस. ओके. मच राइस. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज चूज द करेक्ट एडजेक्टिव एंड कंप्लीट ईच सेंटेंस. A triangle has dash sides. 3 sides or big sides? A candle has 3 sides. Okay. Next is, may I ask you dash question? One question or some question? One question. अगर यहाँ पे होता few questions तो वहाँ ऐसा आता, बट यहाँ एक question की बात है तो we will write one question. Fine. My sister has dash daughters. Enough or 3? Obviously countable है daughters, so we will write 3 daughters. Fine. Next is, there are months in a year. Dash months in a year. 7 or 12? It is 12. Next, I don't know dash about Europe. Many Europe or much Europe? Much Europe. Much about Europe. Okay. Next is demonstrative adjective. Interesting. The words this, that, these and those, fine, are the demonstrative adjectives. It tells whether the noun is near or far from the person speaking. Okay. This, I can say this candle. I can say this candle. It means it is close to me. When I say this candle, it means it is close to me. When I say that candle or that book or that something, it means it is far from the speaker or far from me. Now, when I say, it means this candle, one candle, or close to me. When I say these candle, it means plural and near to me. Fine. Those candle, again, plural form but farther away. Okay. This house belongs to my uncle. This. I like these mangoes. Plural. Many mangoes. Fine. and I didn't underline there. Rama has 5 pets. I read the first chapter. Quantity, I am thirsty, I need some water. Okay. Next is possessive adjectives, the words that show possession or ownership. Possessive adjective talks about ownership, that belongs to someone. Possessive means it belongs to someone or something or someone. The words that show possession or ownership are called possessive adjectives, such as my, their, her, his, your, our, etc. Again, I am using the candle. Fine. So, I can say my candle. My candle. Candle is a noun and my shows possession. That candle belongs to me. Candle belongs to me. My candle. Your candle. Then your, it belongs to you. Okay. So, next example is their father is a lawyer. Their shows unke father. ठीक है. Your watch is expensive. Your watch. I'm not talking, it means the watch belongs to you. Your watch is, the watch belongs to you. Your watch is expensive. Okay. Now, interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives used to ask question. Interrogative adjectives used to ask questions and are used with nouns to ask question like which, how, what, whose, etc. Which way should we go? Way, noun. Which way? Okay. Now, whose book is this? Whose book? We are talking about noun. Whose book? Okay. Next, exercise 3. Underline adjectives and write their kinds. Before moving further, we will just recall all the adjectives. Fine. One word for each kind of adjective. Quality. Quality means descriptive. Quality means descriptive. Next is number. Number shows exact number or we can say numerical. Quantity shows amount, approximate amount. So, we will write amount. Next is demonstrative, pointing towards any noun. Fine. So, we will write pointing. Pointing. Next is possessive. Possessive show ownership, belonging or ownership. So, we will write ownership. Now, let's move to the exercise. A dog is faithful to his master. We are talking about dog. What is the quality? It is faithful. So, it is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Next is my mother calls me every day. We are talking about my mother. Belongs, my. My is possessive. Possessive adjective. Next is please pass me some salt. We are talking about salt. How much? Some. So it is quantity. Next, he died a glorious death. Glorious, shandar. Quality. Next is what song is he listening? What song is he listening? Interrogative. Next, these dresses are fashionable. These dresses. So, demonstrative. Okay. Next is those candies are sour. Again, this, that, these, those comes under demonstrative. So, those candies, it means demonstrative. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you. Please subscribe.